Well, Florida has long been a vacation destination for many living in New York and New Jersey, but the pandemic seems to be pushing more people to permanently relocate to the Sunshine State. Phil Keating live for us in Miami. And Phil, so it sounds like a seller's market down there.
Absolutely. The Miami real estate market right now is pretty hot. A lot of properties on the market and people interested in buying these properties who don't live in Florida like upstate, but they're actually coming from out of state of Florida, like the Northeast and elsewhere. According to realestate.com, Miami is the top market for people in the Northeast who are looking to move. Miami, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Philadelphia, Tampa, and Orlando also in the mix. For real estate agents like Jorge Guerra Jr., all of this has meant a surge in interest from the Northeast in particular. This house is a 3-bed, 2-bath and on the market, and he says his real estate company has seen an increase in activity online for people who are fed up with densely packed big cities and looking for a single-family house with a yard and amenities that you can drive or walk to.
I think the Big Apple has become the Big Orange, and people are taking notice of all the benefits here in South Florida, from the beaches to the lifestyle to the cost of living, tax haven. You know, I can go on and on and on and on why people are flocking here more than ever.
Real estate stats show South Florida right now in particular is a seller's market, and the apartment vacancy rate in New York City is significantly higher than it has been in years past. And another big motivator for people wanting to move and buy new properties, low interest rates, reportedly the lowest they've been in about 40 years. Trace?
Yep, all around cost of living thing. Phil Keating live for us in Miami. Phil, thank you.